decisions have been made. Welcome to boring vlog number 2 out of 25. It really is just one of those days where I am doing absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's really gross outside. I don't think the sun has come out all day. It's just really gloomy and rainy, and I'm just editing and chilling out and maybe play some video games. I did wallpapers this morning. I was kind of productive despite the weather. I had a productive gloomy morning, making tons of wallpapers for Patreon. That's about it. That's pretty much all I've done all day. It really is just one of those days. Just making some lunch. Nothing too exciting really. Nothing too exciting happening in this entire day still, but it's been good actually. It's been a pretty good chill day. I think this video is going to end up being really short because I just have no footage at all and I have no idea what to talk about either, but it's a learning curve, right? This whole vlogging thing, it's a major learning curve.
Yeah, I don't know if you've noticed, but it's quite a thing. Like they're all like this pinky, kind of like bluey grey vibe. So they're like a set, but they're not. What are you making?
Making a sleep oil that I have invented myself, and it may or may not help someone sleep. So. How's the day going?
It's going great. I just got the cutest mail in the world.
Oh, nice! Those are cool.
These are so cute.